लाइफ है, ये तेरा जंग है. A straight jab, सीधा right से hook. One punch, no out, सीधा हाथ से shoot. Boot, ये तेरा जंग
So,
है. हाथों
entering
में
the
तेरा
ring is
किस्मत
Rocky
है.
Malik
Passion और dedication, hustle तेरा
from
साथ है.
Siliguri.
उठाओ
He
gloves,
started
punch
boxing
के
in
साथ है.
2013 as an
ये मेरा
amateur,
खेल है,
and this is his
हक से
second
मुक्के
pro
बाज
match.
है. टूटा कांच है,
And
हाथ
some of
मेरे
his
ये पास
accomplishments
है.
as an
मेहनत
amateur
करे,
are
body
open
clubs
national
की
medalist.
आवाज है. और फटे
When I
चलते
asked him
फिर
about
मंजिल तलाश है. सफलता एक
his
दिन
fighting
खुद
style,
पे
he said
विश्वास
he's an
है.
infighter.
ये आगे लड़ना बढ़ना
Although as an
मेरा
infighter,
ख्वाब है.
he's a
और pro
very
boxing
friendly
में जंग का ऐलान है.
person outside,
और मुक्के बाज है, ring मेरा
and his
मैदान
favorite
है.
fighter is
ring
Mike
में match
Tyson,
तो फिर बनते
but he
हैं
regards
वन है.
Sugar
निकलते
Ray
हैं
Robinson
league
as an
street से
all-time
हम
great.
गली. A legend बनूं
When I
जैसे
asked him
मोहम्मद अली.
why did he
ये है
enter pro
मुकाबला,
boxing, his
तेरा
dream
मेहनत
is
का, ये है मुकाबला.
he wants to win a
हार
world
जीत
title
का, ये है
and
मुकाबला.
make an
अब pro
impact
बनने
through
का,
boxing.
ये है मुकाबला.
And
अब
he
मुक्के
trains
बाज
out
है,
of
ये है
DF
मुकाबला.
CrossFit
तेरा
Fitness
मेहनत का,
Alipur.
ये है मुकाबला. हार
And
जीत
his
का,
message to
ये
the
है
world would
मुकाबला.
be,
अब pro बनने का, ये है
be
मुकाबला.
more real, live in the real
ABB
world,
का,
and
अब pro
he's
boxing में होगा अभी
आपको बात
fight
करके पता
night.
चला था, he's
अब
very
fight
much
night
against
में बंदे
smartphones.
बने
The
Mike
youth
Tyson.
using against
Full
smartphones.
hype.
Rocky Malik, he is an old school guy by soul, by passion, and I believe that is something that you might get to see in his boxing career. Rocky Malik, 30 years old.
ये है मुकाबला तेरा मेहनत का, ये है मुकाबला हार जीत का, ये है मुकाबला प्रो बनने का, ये है
So the hometown hero Sachin Flago,
किसन हसल तेरा साथ है.
nickname
उठाओ
the
gloves और
charming
punch के
face
साथ रिंग में. ये मेरा
stance,
खेल है, हक से मुक्के
orthodox,
बाज है. और टूटा कांच है, हाथ मेरे ये
boxing
पास है.
style,
मेहनत अब
boxer
करे,
puncher,
body clubs की आवाज है. और फटे
looks
टूटे
up
फिर
to
भी
Cuban
मंजिल की
boxing.
तलाश है.
He
सफलता
started
एक
his
दिन
amateur
खुद पे
career at
विश्वास
Ganga
है.
Boxing Club
ये
back
आगे
at
लड़ना बढ़ना मेरा
2021.
ख्वाब है. और प्रो बॉक्सिंग में
And
जंग
within
का
3 years,
ऐलान है. और मुक्के बाज
here
है,
comes
रिंग
the
मेरा
crowd loving
मैदान है. रिंग में मैच तो फिर बनते हैं वन है. निकलते बैग
Ladies and gentlemen, Sachin Flago, the charming freestyler.
and he has won state level bronze, and he was a national junior 2022 bronze medalist. His favorite idol is Conor McGregor, and you can look at him, he looks very ready. Although being a pro boxer, he looks very ready for his debut as a pro boxer. Looks like he's out here for a war. When I asked him what's his message for the public, it's like believe in yourself, don't pay attention to others. And as a kid, he told me that he was bullied, and so that's also one of his reasons why he started boxing. Let's see. I'm expecting a very great match between Sachin Flago, lots of supporter here for Sachin, versus Rocky Malik. So both fighters of equal caliber are going to face each other. Rocky with the height advantage, but Sachin with the youth advantage. Let's see how it goes.
Rocky, old schooler, old school style. Go straight with the right. With Sachin Flago, I feel like I'm going to see a lot of hands down action.
Oh,
Beautiful, beautiful. And Sachin charges on.
it's a war, man.
Oh my God, he's in and out style.
Heavy hands from Sachin. Although he's overswinging. Oh, nice
Beautiful.
over and
I
over.
think so. Sachin is doing a beautiful job with his defense and his head movements, and Rocky needs not to overcompensate his punches. He's overcompensating his punches and he's missing his combos. Beautiful. Right, straight, rocks.
If he goes on like this, his dream of winning a world.
And here is Sachin Flago with the Conor McGregor walk.
अगर रॉकी इसी तरह बॉक्सिंग करेगा तो उसका जो ड्रीम ऑफ विनिंग ए वर्ल्ड टाइटल will be shattered today. He needs to do something new and not overextend, man.
Beautiful head movements, dodges all the punches.
Nice slip from Sachin. Let's see how Flago returns it. Rocky Malik has overswung himself. It looks like he's out of gas. He can't
He
go.
is just swinging.
And he's just moments away from being knocked down from Sachin.
Sachin has him in the corner. Straight.
All he needs is a nice punch.
Body. Straight to the face. And the mouth guard is out of the ring. The referee needs to stop the match so that his mouth guard can be fixed back in. I saw the mouth guard flying out of the ring. If I'm not wrong. Beautiful display of boxing by Sachin. Sachin needs to be careful though. Sachin needs to go in and out. Because this Rocky has been overcompensating his punches like mad.
A nice phone boot exchange from both of them. इसमें फ्लागो एक चीज कर सकता है, बैक करके मार सकता है. It was a nice, but Sachin, let's see, it's only the first round और अभी भी काफी heavy action हो रहा है. मलिक की तरफ से heavy artillery, but he's kind of
Beautiful. Rocky is not showing any sense of boxing. This is even worse than brawling. I'll put it straight to the page. I expected much more from Rocky, taking the name of Rocky Balboa at the same time, but this is very bad for Rocky. I'm utterly disappointed by the way Rocky is fighting because I had my money on Rocky, and Sachin is displaying a beautiful round of boxing.
looks like Sachin has figured out Rocky's punches. All he had to do is dip down and pick his shots. But at the same time, Sachin is doing something bad. It's like he's also overexerting himself. What he can do is like slow down the pace and pick his shots. That way, he can move on to the next round. Let's see. How
And this was eyes closed. This round goes to Sachin Flago. I sparred with this guy, and this guy puts up an exceptional defense plus. And right now, what Sachin needs to do is he needs to have short punches from inside the thing, inside the box.
But अगर मैं फ्लागो का कॉर्नर में होऊंगा, yes, वो ये राउंड जीत रहा है. But as you can see, Malik is over extending himself, so he can do is bring down the pace, then pick his shots, and then he can easily get a win.
I expected Rocky to work more with his jabs in the starting round. He is a more aged fighter. He has been fighting for such a long time, and he himself is a coach. And if you start off a round like that, putting everything to the page and putting even my word into it, he needs to box more technically and in a very much more sound manner. Because right now, what he is doing, the boxing, I won't call it boxing as far as now. As far as I know boxing, and as a boxer myself. Sachin.
Let's see what Sachin has to do. He is doing it again. Sachin is doing it again. Going to the comfort zone of Arun Malik. Malik boxer. I guess that's the that was an illegal push. Not illegal, I'm sorry. That was that was an illegal warning from the ref. पता है बॉक्सर पंचर्स का ये प्रॉब्लम होता है क्योंकि वो लोग हर चीज में अच्छा है. So instead of playing their game, they tend to dive into their opponent's game. See, you see that Sachin can do that. He can be the better boxer. He can be a boxer instead of a fighter and win this fight instead of a brawler. Sachin अगर इस fight में boxer, that's what I wanted to say. You see,
No.
that's what he should be doing.
Beautiful footwork by Sachin, taunting with a much older fighter. Rocky is 9 years older than Sachin. I love that.
यही करना चाहिए. So now
And there was a drop, there was not a count. Referee cleans the gloves and they go back to bout again.
So let's see. It's a match between a boxer and a fighter. This is what मुझे सचिन से देखने का मन है.
I
Be
don't
the better
understand.
boxer.
I have no idea why is Rocky fighting like that. What kind of boxing is that?
I mean, I agree with you, Prem bro. According to the standard of being a pro, that's a very low
Beautiful
quality,
1-2.
low-
Classic boxing.
But hats off to Sachin's chin. He's still hanging on. See, this is what I was talking about.
Rocky is out of gas, and as he came back to the second round, he was not recovered in that break.
All Sachin needs to do is bring his pace down, catch his breath, pick his shots, and that way he's already doing the right thing. That way he can bring down Malik very easily. A futile attempt to the body. Sachin की ओर से अच्छा body punch. Oh. Punches from Flago to Sachin. I think 2 more rounds. If this goes on 2 more rounds, then I'm sure Flago can get it finished.
Oh,
Sachin looks gas out. He's fighting for his breath. He's overextending. Nice work from
beautiful Philly shell by Sachin.
Flago looks a little bit surprised. Why is Malik not going down still yet? But I think the finish is going to come down soon. And if you're looking at Malik, he looks out of gas, but I don't know where he is bringing the will. I can't describe it's whether it's will or determination that is still going on. But अगर ये वही pace रखते रहेगा और इसी power से exert करते रहेगा तो I don't think he can go. I don't think that's very economical because he has 2 more rounds to go.
Now, when you're out of gas, it's very difficult to go with jabs. So I don't think so. Rocky is gonna come with any jabs and changes any game. He's gonna go full flurry.
It's a horrible feeling. ये feeling बहुत horrible होता है when you are tired. आपका arms go heavy, and when you are under the lights on top of the ring, the man in the arena. That's the worst thing that can happen to you is be fatigued. Let's see what Flago has to do or will be doing this round.
Now Rocky seems to be taking extra minutes, extra seconds to start the round. That will help him compensate. But Rocky seems to be having harder chin, but these are wild punches, bro. God forbid it doesn't touch Sachin in the wrong spot. I love how Sachin is using his head movements and footwork to evade those punches. But on the other point, in this weight category, the punches that Rocky is like launching, it's kind of a little slow.
A good arm fighting inside the ring, and it's quite tiresome. अभी देखते हैं Flago क्या करेंगे. Hats off to Malik though. He has been throwing bombs from 3 rounds. He's been throwing bombs, man. But again, this is not pro fighting. This is not actually boxing. This is just wild.
But even though Yumtar, I have feared if those punches land, he's throwing it wild with full power.
But I doubt from a disciplined fighter like Flago, I think he can see the punches coming from far away. For an untrained fighter, he couldn't be looking at those punches, but someone with the caliber of Flago, I'm sure he'll
he comes with the guillotine, and referee calls out to Flago, and that's the first warning. And he comes with a classic trick. He throws down takes out his mouth guard to get the extra seconds to recover. Body, Sachin, I think so. Rocky's chin is quite strong, but if
Flago is going into Sachin's game. He knows he's a better boxer, so he can keep on boxing. But
I think
Sachin is going to his game. You see, that's illegal, yeah. And now the winner that's a good decision by the ref.
It's a very good decision because he's playing the wrong cards in the game. And ladies and gentlemen, you have Sachin Flago as the winner. One for the crowd. Beautiful.
good throw debut from Lago. I'm sure this person will be going forward. Lago was a better boxer with lots of head movement and classic footwork. And about Malik, I mean the way he was telling, that was good. What do you think? What would you say about his skills?
No, right now Rocky seems a little disappointed. He is looking to the supervisor and asking for the round to continue, but the ref has seen enough of wild swinging punches and gassed out Rocky.
I think the wild swinging punches to his decision because first time he's up and out Virat he could take it. So it warned him, but he did the same thing again to cancel the fight. I mean that's illegal. It's the ref's job to stop the fight, not his. He can't make this kind of decisions on his own.
That's why he's making an appeal, but judges know best.
2 minutes 14 seconds. And the winner by technical knockout.
So,
from
but
the blue
what would you say about Malik's skill set as a boxer in the pro? I'll give.
I expected a lot, especially when I saw him with that Team India, what do you call that? The track suit and the jersey. I expected much more. I expected much more of amateur kind of boxing, the fast-paced boxing. But this went all haywire.
For the first time, तो planning कहाँ से क्या शुरू हुआ? And you
अगर
won
आप
your
जब pro
debut
boxing करें, this is a
in
big
pro boxing.
platform.
Please, आप बताइए कैसा लगा?
Pro boxing, you're representing.
First of all, hello everyone. मेरा overacting के लिए हमको थोड़ा सा माफ कर दो. So, क्या बोलेगा? I guess I gave a good match, but I know deep inside that I could do better. But still, this being my pro debut, I won this match, and me being a humble guy, I'd like to thank everyone who took their time to make me grow, my brothers, my family, and the person I like to thank the most is my mother. So my mother is single mother, she raised me. She supported through every part of my life, from my breakup to me being in the pro boxing ring. And I like to thank my mother. Her name is Mechinatum Flago, by the way. And she supported me when I was a kid who used to get bullied from my amateur career going to the national and now giving my pro debut. So thank you, mommy. I love you very much.
A straight jab, सीधा right से hook. One punch, knockout, सीधा हाथ से shoot. Boot, ये तेरा जंग है, हाथों में तेरा किस्मत है. Passion और dedication, hustle तेरा साथ है. उठाओ gloves और punch के साथ ring में. ये मेरा खेल है, हक से मुक्केबाज है. और टूटा कांच है, हाथ मेरे ये बाज है. मैंने दम करे बहुत clubs की आवाज है. और फटे टूटे फिर भी मंजिल की तलाश है. सफलता एक दिन खुद पे विश्वास है. ये आगे लड़ना बढ़ना मेरा ख्वाब है. और प्रो बॉक्सिंग में जंग का ऐलान है. और मुक्केबाज है, रिंग मेरा मैदान है. रिंग में मैच तो फिर बनते हैं वान है. निकलते पैक लेके स्ट्रीट से हम गली. लेजेंड बनूं जैसे मोहम्मद अली. यह मुकाबला तेरा मेहनत का, यह मुकाबला हार जीत का, यह मुकाबला प्रो बनने का, यह मुकाबला मुक्केबाज का, यह मुकाबला तेरा मेहनत का, यह मुकाबला हार जीत का, यह मुकाबला प्रो बनने का, यह मुकाबला APB का. प्रो बॉक्सिंग में होगा अभी फाइट नाइट में बंदे बने माइक टाई. फुल हाइप मैच फिक्स स्टार्ट फाइट. बनू चैंपियन है एक दिन ब्राइट लाइफ. संघर्ष हम करे बहुत कुछ नहीं ये लक. सर झुका तो फिर मारते हम अपरकट.